sky, feeling bolder.
Going up, going all the way. Going high, 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 high. Going up, going all the way. Going high, high, high. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going up. Going all the way, going high, high, higher.
I remember the first few months of my piano class like it was yesterday. I was, of course, very nervous when I first started piano, because I did not want to make any mistakes. When I first started piano, I learned what whole notes, half notes, and quarter notes were, as well as some easy time signatures. Later on, I got easy pieces to play which consisted of a few notes. However, when I made a mistake when practicing these pieces, I would start over and play the section again. At first, this seemed like an easy fix to me, but when I had to play these pieces during recitals, it sounded awkward and offbeat, not fluent and mellifluous like it was supposed to be. I have now learned that whenever I make a mistake, I should continue playing instead of stopping and redoing that section of the piece, because consistency is more important than accuracy. Accuracy is important when you are practicing a piece. When you notice a mistake that you make constantly while you practice the piece, you can go back to fix that mistake. You can use tools such as breaking the piece into sections, practicing each section for the piece to sound more confident and accurate. For example, if you have a transitional problem in one of the parts of the piece, you can break the part into two sections, practice each section, and then practice playing from the end of the first section to the beginning of the second section to fix the issue. Although you can go back and redo the parts of the piece where you make mistakes while you practice the piece, when you are playing the piece during a recital, that is not the case. When playing a piece during a recital, you should aim for consistency. If you make a mistake while playing a piece, if you continue instead of stopping and redoing that specific part of the piece, the music will sound more confident and better than if you redid the piece. In conclusion, consistency is more important than accuracy. Now I am consistent, and as a result, my pieces sound much better than they did when I first started piano. Sometimes it is hard to be consistent when you have the opportunity to redo your mistakes, but consistency will enhance your pieces. Thank you.